The type of tacos that we are making today, they are very authentic in Mexico, and today we are going to make them and we're using the Instant Pot. It is a lot easier and faster. If you make this meat the traditional way, it would take around 3 to 4 hours to cook. After the cooking time is done, let the Instant Pot rest for 5 or 10 minutes before you open it. This type of meat is very firm, and what I'm going to do right now is cut it into pieces and then we are going to fry it. The meat is ready and I am preparing myself a very delicious taco. You can use any toppings you want. I am adding onion and also cilantro and some lemon. And of course, we cannot forget a very important topping, which is salsa. This salsa is kind of spicy, but you can use whatever salsa you want. To me, if you don't have a good salsa, you are not going to have a very good taco. And this is the way I prepare my Suadero tacos. I want to thank you guys for spending time with me. I really do hope you guys like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to subscribe. God bless, and I hope I'll see you next time. Adios.